Hi everybody, today we are talking about the horizontal stick welding. In the video I show you how to advance with the electrode. Put the electrode at 70 degrees from the welding plane and use a current of 19 amperes. Move the electrode slowly, taking care to keep the arc short. After removing the welding slag, this is the final result. Please like and subscribe. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.